Ever wake up after a full night's sleep, feeling great, only to see dark circles under your eyes? It's a common frustration. We often blame lack of sleep, but dark circles are more complicated than that. These shadows can make us look tired or older, even when we feel fine. The truth is, dark circles reflect everything from genetics to daily habits and health. Let's dig into what really causes them, and how you can finally tackle those stubborn shadows. Dark circles are simply the appearance of darkened skin under your eyes, where the skin is thinnest and most delicate. This thinness makes blood vessels and changes beneath the surface much more visible. When blood pools or vessels dilate, you see bluish or purplish tints, especially if you're tired or have allergies. The area is also prone to dryness, pigment changes, and structural shifts as you age. So, dark circles isn't just one thing. It's a mix of visible blood vessels, pigment, and shadows. Understanding what's happening under your skin is the first step to finding the right fix. There are three main types of dark circles: pigmented, vascular, and structural. Pigmented circles are brownish, caused by excess melanin, often genetic or from sun exposure. Vascular circles look blue or purple due to visible blood vessels and worsened by fatigue or allergies. Structural circles are shadows from hollows under the eyes, often from aging and volume loss. Many people have a combination of these types. Identifying your type is crucial, because each needs a different approach. Let's look at what causes them. Genetics play a huge role. If your family has dark circles, you probably will too. Lifestyle matters. Lack of sleep, too much screen time, and dehydration all make circles worse. Allergies trigger swelling and visible blood vessels, while anemia makes skin paler and circles more obvious. Aging leads to thinner skin and loss of fat, creating hollows and shadows. Sometimes, dark circles are a sign of an underlying health issue. Understanding your triggers helps you target the real problem. Now let's avoid the common mistakes. Many people waste money on random creams without knowing their circle type. Using the wrong product, like a pigment cream for structural circles, won't help. Home remedies like cucumbers or tea bags offer only temporary relief. Aggressive rubbing or scrubbing can actually make circles worse. And don't ignore medical advice. Sometimes dark circles signal a health issue. The right solution starts with the right diagnosis. For pigmented circles, use brightening ingredients like vitamin C and always apply sunscreen. For vascular circles, caffeine creams and retinoids help, along with managing allergies and getting enough sleep. Structural circles need more than creams. Dermal fillers from a professional can restore lost volume. Across all types, healthy habits matter. Sleep well, stay hydrated, eat iron-rich foods, and be gentle with your skin. Remove makeup carefully and avoid harsh rubbing. If you're unsure, consult a dermatologist for a tailored plan. By matching your treatment to your type, you can finally see real results. Brighter, refreshed eyes are possible when you know what your skin needs.